Yeah, popcorn. This is the best popcorn machine maker. I paid $14 for it. That's the inside. Time to make some popcorn. What is this? Non-GMO. Yeah, right. A 3-piece contraption.
Delicious.
Contraption?
No, my sandwich.
Contraption. That's piece number 1. Piece number 2. This goes on top. It's fabulous. We can get this on top. This, you can melt your butter. Oh, how lovely. And that goes on top. You put your butter in there. And you put your popcorn seeds in there. Look, this is precise filling each time. You cannot overfill your kernels. It gives you a precise measurement with each usage. And then you can fill your mechanism here with a precise amount of kernel seeds here. Now we're going to add the butter on top here, because this is where it's going to melt and get nice fresh butter. It does sound like a Boeing taking off. Oh, look at them jumping in there. You see? Oh. Okay. This looks like corn toasting up. The butter is melting. We're now going to wait for it to come out of here. And you can put your hand here. You really don't get burned. And the butter is starting to melt. See? Safe heat. Oh, is that the first one pop? Oh, they're starting to pop. Look. Nice. No oil required. You don't got to get a pot going. Fresh kernel. Excuse me. Woo! Look at it all falling. Uh-oh. There's going to be another bowl. Oh, look at the last remaining. Look at them, a couple of kernels. Or what? I did. Oh! Wow, you saw that? It's just popping. Look at that fresh bowl of popcorn. If you're not too careful, you will get it all over your floor.
Yeah, we just mopped.
I just mopped and swept. And the butter's melting very nicely. Really? Ah, fresh butter. Nice and hot. Look at that. Hot popcorn. Fresh hot popcorn. What are you doing? You're dipping it in. Excuse me, can you put the butter in?
Oh, excuse me.
Come on, it's nice and hot and melted. Ah, delicious. Shake it up nice, toss it.
Oh, toss it back up.
See? And you can control all the junk that goes in.
That's right.
Okay, we got a sample.
Great. Fabulous.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Put it in. So that fat, airy, light, nice, fresh,
buttery,
hot popcorn. Nice, light, fluffy crunch. Yeah. Hot popcorn. In a couple of minutes. And I got a booger. It's a crunchy. It's a crunch. Crunchy, non-fattening delight. That is the best popcorn maker. $14. And the cleaning is fantastic. Easy wipe. No soap required. Yeah.
Fire.
Yeah, definitely you could fit that in your purse. Let me know if you try this machine. It's great. If you go camping, you'll need a generator. It's great though. You don't have to dirty any pots and pans. Because, you know, it's just easy wipe, clean up all in one. Delicious. You can have a jolly time. It's always a jolly time.